Hi everyone, it is National French Fry Day. We are going to some of our favorite restaurants to get some of our favorite French fries. Say hi, Princess.
Hello.
EJ
Hello.
and Princess Joy. Right, let's go. Okay, everyone, we are at our first stop, McDonald's, and we got our free fries. Okay, this is mine. Our French fries in there. And Princess EJ got his French fries. And we see in there. Yep, there we go. Princess Faith got hers. Princess Joy got hers. All right, leaving McDonald's. At Burger King and our fries. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, yes, that's right. Yes, ma'am. No, thank you. Thank you so much. All right, everyone. This is our Zaxby French fries. Thank you. Taco fries. Okay, y'all. We are done with National French Fry Day. Say bye, y'all.
Bye.
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 Okay, bye for now, you all.